Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell on Binance. First, let's cover buying. You can fund your account using various methods, like a credit or debit card, or through peer-to-peer transactions. Once funded, navigate to the Buy Crypto section. You can choose between market orders for instant purchases or limit orders to set your desired price. Always confirm the amount and currency before finalizing your transaction. Now, let's look at selling your crypto. You can convert your digital assets into a fiat currency, like US dollars, or trade them for another cryptocurrency. Use the Sell Crypto page for direct conversions or explore peer-to-peer trading for more flexible withdrawal options. Always double-check the recipient details and your chosen payment method to ensure a smooth and secure transaction before confirming your sell order. Binance offers more than just basic buying and selling. You can use advanced order types like limit, market, and stop limit orders to execute precise trades. The platform also provides sophisticated charting tools and technical indicators to help you analyze market trends. For experienced users, features like futures trading and staking can offer additional opportunities, but always understand the risks involved with these advanced options. Protecting your assets is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for all your transactions and logins. Use strong, unique passwords for your Binance account and email, and remain vigilant against phishing scams. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these socks and other great deals. Regularly review your account activity and withdrawal history for any suspicious behavior. Staying informed about common scams will help protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.